Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic of business research management subject, types of research design. What are the different types of research design? We will discuss in detail here. A classification of marketing research designs. Research design can be divided into two parts: exploratory research design, conclusive research design. Conclusive research design again divided into the descriptive research, then causal research. Descriptive research again divided into cross-sectional design, longitudinal design. And cross-sectional design will be divided into again single cross-sectional design and multiple cross-sectional design. Now come to the third type of the research design. This is causal. Causal research design is used to obtain evidence of cause and effect, causal relationships. A type of conclusive research where the major objective is obtain evidence regarding cause and effects, causal relationships. Example: Reliance, before introducing Reliance Jio, did a research to see whether decrease in prices, call rates, etc. can lead to increase its sales as well as increase in market share. So this was the cause and effect. Mainly, you want to know if that company Reliance will reduce the price. What will be the impact of this? But this company has reduced a lot. So then, what benefits that company has got in that particular time when they have reduced the price? Because this game was completely on volume based. So then this company has expanded the volume of that product per customers. And by that volume, they are not getting benefit by the main mother's product, but they are getting benefits by their stakeholders like other suppliers and others. Like in this case, they get the benefit of the suppliers also, because demand of the product is much more than they were getting benefits by their suppliers and other stakeholders. What is causal research design? This is based on sun hotness and brightness creates warm weather. So then requirement of this ice cream, causation required ice cream, and when as person is tired with the hot weather, then they have required this situational treatment, then they will purchase the ice cream. So this is also the example of the cause and effect. Means hotness, the warm weather, required ice cream, and that is correlated with ice cream purchased by the customers. This cause and effect. Now, next is Kellogg's. A cereal brand owner's Kellogg's company wants to learn they will receive more sales with their new cereal box design. Instead of conducting descriptive research by asking people whether they will be more likely to buy their cereals in its new box, they would set up an experiment into two separate stores. One will be sell the cereals in only its original box, and other with the new box, taking care of to avoid any outside sources of bias. They would then measure the difference between the sales based on cereal packaging. Did the new packaging have any effect on the cereal cells. What was that effect? Mainly cereals, Kellogg company was famous for their health conscious products. So then they were producing cereals, and this company wants to know about the packaging impact. So that company has provided one packaging product on different packaging, and another product was same packaging from different stores. They want to know about what will be the impact of the packaging on their cells. Packaging may be like this. One packaging was like this. Another was the sleek packaging. Then they want to know what type of the impact of this packaging on the customers' demand. Another way that companies are also, many companies are making their impact on the packaging. Like many companies they are providing it's called decoy effect. Like many companies are providing different type of the packaging in different ways, and the prices will be increased from first model to second model. It is less, but third model it is a lot of price will increase. So then person with some more amount want to purchase some different product. Then in car and many other products, they are now using such type of decoy effect, because in first model it was about a simple model, and then second model maybe some different in third model, and price will be from very 1 lakh to 2 lakh difference. 1,50,000 more than 70,000, 80,000 in next model. So then people approach to go for the next model. So this is the way they are playing with the psychology of customers. So this is the way they are going to purchase and we said they are going to use the psychological effect for the selling their products by the decoy effect. The packaging in Kellogg's company was using research on that. What will be impact of packaging on their cells? Different packaging on their cells. Now next concept is next slide is use of the causal research to understand which variables are cause independent variable and which variables are effects dependent variable of phenomenon. To determine nature of the relationship between the causal variables and effect to be predicted. Suppose any company one of the variable is your suppose one variable is dependent variable. Dependent variable will give equal to yours number of independent variables. Independent variables IV1. Okay. Maybe other variables also affect. Then IV2. Maybe more than other variables. Then what? Then one is here E. So number of variables. One will be dependent variable. Another will be your independent variables. So with independent variable and one independent variable, and like any product, suppose person purchased the product due to quality of the product. So their buying behavior is the depending variable. Buying behavior is the depending variable. That dependent variable will be based on your quality of the product, based on price of the product, maybe other number of variables. So what will be impact of this variables? This variable is maybe quality, this variable will be price, so this variable will be your dependent variable. It impact. By this impact, we can predict this buying behavior of customer. Buying will increase or decrease. If quality of the product will increase, if quality of product will not increase, if price will increase or decrease or suitable way, everything you can study in this way. Then one concept is here, that is error. Error means this is noise. Error means noise in different when we are discussing about the dependent and independent variable. And this is the unexplained variables. This is unexplained variables. Suppose we have studied about this concept, the buying behavior of customer. It was based on your price. It was based on quality of any product. But we can explain only 80% of this concept. 20% it is noise. We are unable to explain about this. So this is the concept behind the variables. Now come to the what are the difference between the variables, different between the different type of the research. On the basis of objectives, discovery of the ideas and insights. Second, descriptive, describe market characteristics or functions. Causal, determine causes and effects relationship. Then on the basis of characteristics, flexible, versatile, marked by the prior and formulation of specific hypothesis, manipulation on or more independent variable. And methods, experts surveys, pilots surveys, the number of methods, panels, observations, and other data experiment is in Quasi. Then exploratory, a discovery of ideas and insights. Characteristics, it's exploratory, it is flexible and versatile. Then method, experts survey, pilot surveys. And in descriptive, the research is descriptive market characteristics or functions marketed by prior functions of the specific hypothesis, panels, observation, and other data, determine cause and effects, relationship, manipulation on or more independent variables, experiments. So this is the complete concept of this topic. Types of the research design. You must go through in detail and clear your concept and make your notes for the exam. Thank you very much. We discuss next topic, which is sampling. Thank you very much.